Hi, Team One in Planning Analytics community. It is Brian from CubeWise, and here is an update on what's new and deprecations on IBM Planning Analytics Workspace that was released on December 11th, 2023, version 2.0.92. First, let's go through what's new. There are two new properties for single cell widgets. Show as cell allows you to display an outline around value, making highlighting it easier. Enable editable cell is a property that allows the modification of values in single cell widgets. Both of these properties will be on by default for new single cell widgets. Keep in mind when you do upgrade to this version of PAW, if an existing single cell widget is set to show a cell, then both of these properties will be enabled. You can now pass context between books that are added as assets in an application or a plan that uses the same synchronization group by enabling the new pass context option located at the top right corner as shown in image 1. This feature supports all three synchronization groups for books, sheets, and custom, as well as synchronization of hierarchies and gestures. For example, in image 2, there are two assets, book01 and book02. These assets are synchronized where book01 has been set as a source in the application. This means that the context is passed when the same dimension is used, like the product line dimension. So in image 2, when dishwashers is selected for book01, book02's hierarchy will also show dishwashers as shown in image 3. Next are process editor improvements. Scrolling is now responsive for scripts that exceed a single page view, resulting in a performance improvement over the previous version. The toolbar on the process editor now includes a new errors and warnings icon so that you can go directly to the line in your process script where the error or warning occurred. When you press Ctrl A to select all lines within the section where the cursor is positioned are selected. This is a changed behavior from previous versions of the process editor where Ctrl A selected all the lines across all sections of the process script. Lastly, for process editor improvements, you can now use a filter to examine variables while debugging a process. Administrators rejoice! You can now add an individual user on Planning Analytics Local. For organizations with multiple PA local environments, you can now select the environment you want to work with on PAW with a drop-down from the top, as shown in image 1. To wrap up what's new, in support of multiple environments, please keep in mind that all users with the administrator role are given admin privileges when you upgrade to 2.0.92. Therefore, you must explicitly remove admin privileges to users on the environment page. Okay, let's move to deprecations. The classic dimension editor is no longer available in favor of the new experience dimension editor. And for the next updates in version 2.0.93, the selector list and selector tile widgets will be replaced with a selector visualization that works the same way, but with more customizability. You can use this feature now if you are on version 2.0.83 by enabling this manually